My name is akSZhe1p from Burkert UK, and today I'm going to talk about the akSZe1p multiCELL. The akSZe1p is a multifunction transmitter and controller which can be connected to a multitude of sensors that you'd typically find in a process and automation environment. It's highly customizable. It has 6 spare slots in the back which can have ORP, pH or conductivity boards ordered depending on your application. The standard board that comes with the unit obviously powers the unit up, has 2 digital outputs, 2 digital inputs and 2 analog outputs. There is also a slot for an SD card for data logging functionality. The akSZe1p has a great feature in that the screen is backlit. This is an obvious advantage when operators are trying to scroll through the menus and program the unit in a real-life environment. Often factories and other places where you might find the akSZe1p can be not very well lit, and so it's much easier for the operator to see. The akSZe1p also features soft keys which make navigating the menu very, very easy. The soft key features aren't static, they're dynamic. And what I mean by this is when you go into the menu, you go into a top level menu, and with a typical device you'd need to scroll through this menu to get to the option you would like, and then that takes you into a sub-menu and then further down into more sub-menus. What the multiCELL does is the soft keys have mapped out options which change for each level of the menu you go into. So you can navigate the unit and the menu very, very quickly, very, very efficiently. The akSZe1p multiCELL has some arithmetic functions which really help with many processes. What it can actually do is take multiple inputs and manipulate that data and the relationship between those 2 inputs to create the output that you need for your process. So for example, if you had 2 flow inputs, one on an acid line and one on a water line, and you wanted to total that up, you can tell the unit to add them together and then send that out as an output. You could also do a ratio, subtract or divide these 2. So you can really manipulate the relationship between the inputs and the outputs and customize this unit for your application. Typical application examples could be in a water treatment plant where in real time you need to monitor your pH levels, your conductivity and your flow, and the ideal feature on the akSZe1p where you can have your 1 to 4 values displayed in real time is ideal for that. Another application example would be in hygienic processing where it doesn't matter what sensors you connect to the akSZe1p, so you can connect CIP-able instrumentation, flow meters and valves to the unit. Another great example would be chemical dosing. Because of the arithmetic functions on the unit, it really helps with dosing. The akSZe1p multiCELL is so adaptable and customizable. From a price to functionality point of view, it's all you'll need. You can customize it to exactly what you need it to do.